We really love Thai food, so this is our twist on fried rice.
So if you've watched any of our videos before, you know that prep is always the most important thing. I hate getting halfway through cooking and realising that I don't have what I need to put in next. So we're just going to chop up our chilies, onions and peppers first. And once that's done, you're ready to chop up your spring onions.
Get the water boiling and add enough rice for 2 people. Follow the packet instructions for the cooking. Our one took 10 minutes.
So we've got a pan here on a low to medium heat, and we've just added a little bit of oil. So I've used stir fry oil here because it's got a little bit of extra ginger and garlic. You can get this from any supermarket. And then once that's nice and hot, you want to go in with your chilies first.
So cook your chilies for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then once they're nice and cooked, add in your onions. Onions will cook for about 3 minutes, and once they're nice and caramelized, you're ready to go for the peppers.
So cook your peppers for about 3 minutes till they're nice and soft. You can use any type of pepper, we chose to use red pepper. Once it's done, it looks something like this, and then you're ready to go in with your ginger.
We use ginger paste here, but you can also use the fresh ginger as well.
So this is where we add our twist to our Thai fried rice. Half a tablespoon of Thai red curry paste. This is such an easy thing to do, and we've just used store-bought paste here, and it adds a great depth of flavour.
So just use whichever brand of the Thai red paste that you prefer, but you need to make sure you stir it in really well before you add anything else in.
As with traditional Asian food, season with soy sauce rather than salt. We've added 1 tablespoon now, and then we can add some more after the rice has been added.
So guys, remember, always keep an eye on your rice whilst you're cooking down your vegetables. Good thing about this recipe, by the time you cook down your vegetables, the rice is normally done. Once it's done, just drain and add it.
In well, and then add a bit of extra soy sauce to taste. We use an extra 1 tablespoon in this recipe.
Once you're happy with the rice, turn off the gas and add half the spring onions you chopped earlier.
This is what it should look like once it's done, and then you're ready to top it off with whatever you want to garnish it with. This is perfect with a bit of sweet chili sauce. Use those extra spring onions on top for extra garnish, and also salted peanuts. The peanuts change the game.
This recipe is great for batch cooking for your meal preps. It goes well with your lunch as well, and also can be used as a side dish.